Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi 9A, and let me show you how to change the language on the following device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings. Then let's scroll down and select additional settings. And here let's choose languages and input. And on the very first position we've got languages, so click on it. And here we are opening the list of available ones. So let me pick something, for example, this one. And as you can see, from now on, the whole menu will be in this language. To get back, simply click on languages again. Here, on the languages. And let's choose English. Okay, so that's all. This is how you change the language in your Xiaomi Redmi 9A. And if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.